Welcome back, everybody. It's time to check on the Super Dart project over at Jeff's garage. Jeff has been working hard on this vehicle. Let's see how it's coming along.
Today in the garage we got Justin pressing in the lower control arm bushings. This is an upgraded greasable pivot, so that way it's a greasable bushing instead of just the rubber ones that always wear out prematurely. Okay, that one looks good. All right, I'll go get the next one ready. Thanks, Justin.
Welcome.
All right, we're getting these doors off the car so we can get the door hinges rebuilt. The pins are super loose. So we're gonna get these off, get the hinges out, and get them tightened up so that way we can get everything adjusted before the car goes out for paint.
Jeff is an amazing dad and a wonderful teacher to Justin and his other two boys. Justin is learning a life experience.
Okay, set that down and come drag the jack for me. Gotta scooch it out a little. Okay. Go ahead and lower it down. Keep going all the way down. And then just back it up and we'll drive it and set it over there. Okay, Justin, get those last couple bolts out on this door. Working on?
I'm taking off the grill and the headlight bezels.
All right, thank you. Go ahead and get to work.
Justin and his brother Logan are quite the team working on this Super Dart project.
Couple more screws here. All right, there we go. Thanks, guys. We'll get a ratchet and get the bottom of the grill loose. All right, good job on those bolts, Logan. Justin, can you get that out of there for us? All right, thanks, guys. What's next?
Next, let's take off the fenders.
All right, sounds like a plan. All right, here we go.
What a fabulous opportunity for these young men to learn at such an early age. I was also blessed when I was young to be able to work with my dad. I would be with him every Saturday morning, either working on the house or working on cars in the driveway. And that makes such a difference overall in one's life.
All right, good job, guys. Ready to get the other one?
Yep. Yep.
All right, here goes the other side.
I hope you're enjoying the video so far as we watch the Super Dart project evolve into something special.
All right, great work. Getting this car stripped down. Thank you for the help, guys. Here's another upgrade we just finished on the 68 Dart. Upgraded hood hinges and modern gas struts. So these hood hinges were super worn out. So we added new bushings to them and replaced the old style coil springs that bind really bad with new modern gas struts. On to the next upgrade.
Well, Jeff's team just keeps growing and growing. Now we have Justin, Logan, and Wyatt working on removing the wiring harness from in this engine compartment.
It's loose. This is loose. No. That's loose. Well, these are loose. Look at it. Yeah.
Wyatt, at such a young age, can't wait to help his brothers with this project. He's willing to do anything to help out. We ordered a complete engine compartment wiring harness for this vehicle. That way, when we're finished, everything will look clean and tidy and new, and it'll be reliable.
Let's do some more.
All right, let's do some more. Thanks for the help, guys. Hold the visor up for Logan so he could get it off.
Huh?
Can you hold it for Logan? There you go. Good job, boys.
Hey, Mr. Baldy, where'd you go?
I'm going to be pulling the dash assembly out of the Dart now. I got everything unhooked from underneath. So that's the wiring loom bulkhead for the firewall, the wiring loom to the back of the car, both door switches, the cables for the heater controls, the defroster vents, the speedometer cable, And once we pull the 5 screws along the top and the 2 bolts at the bottom, the entire dash assembly will lift out of there. This will make it nice for paint because we won't have to worry about masking it and overspraying it. And I'll be able to restore the entire dash assembly while the car's off getting painted. So I got everything unhooked from underneath, and now it's just a matter of a few bolts and we're gonna lift it out of there. Now that the dash is out, we can get all this cleaned up, get the vent out, heater box out, windshield wiper linkage out, get all this old insulation out of here, and we can start taking all the windows and the doors apart. Get this thing stripped down. It's headed to paint in 2 weeks. As we get the car torn down and ready to go for paint, it's the time to fix all the little things that happened to the car over its life. So here we are in the driver's door jamb. And you can see the door strike here, which is super loose, and you can see that it was all welded on, and this needs fixed. There's no adjustment the way this was repaired, and it looks terrible, so we're gonna fix it. Now, when you've been working on these Mopars for over 20 years like myself, you save pieces from cars that you part out. So, I have a door jamb with striker assembly, in excellent condition from a donor car that I've been holding on to for probably at least 15 years. And we're gonna cut this door jamb out and fix this properly so it looks like factory. The other side has some damage, I'll show you that as well. So here's the passenger's door strike. It's also broke out here in the middle and has some cracks. So I have a patch panel to fix this side as well, and we'll get that all done. And the reason these were broke out is the door hinges on this car were extremely worn. So the hinges are now rebuilt with oversized pins, so we won't have any more door sagging trouble, and we'll be able to get everything properly adjusted.
Thank you very much, Jeff, Justin, Logan, and Wyatt for being on the Super Dart project team. Until next time, everybody, take care and God bless.